Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fun, fast Tinkercad tutorial. So let's get cracking. Alright everybody, so this is going to be fun and fast. A user reached out saying, hey, what if I've got a part that I'm going to work with several different connectors? So I have real quickly made this little part that fits right in here. This would be the base with the separate connectors the user was asking about. And they're like, how do I get it so I can export just the piece I need? Friends, it is so slick. If you click on the single part and choose export, bam! You just do the selected shape as an STL. I have got Chrome set to always ask where I save, so I can type multi-part base. And I'm going to hit save, and then I can simply click on part A, choose selected shape again. This time when I export as an STL, once again it asks, and instead of multi-part base, I'm going to call this multi-part attachment A. And you would just do that for each of the parts you built. That is one of the super cool features that you've got available to you in Tinkercad. If you're interested in how to set Chrome to ask where you want to download, you simply click on settings, choose the download section, and boom, I have it set to ask every time where I want to save. It's that easy. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.